Atul Chaudhary from Grove Dental Clinic. Today we will be doing a procedure called computer guided implant dentistry. In that one we are going to restore the implant on the lower jaw. First let's go to the procedure. In the computer guided implant surgery we make a special surgical stand which is done with the help of model from the patient's mouth as well as 3D x-rays. Let's go with the stent procedure and then we are going to explain more in detail what the whole procedure is. This is a surgical stent which has been fabricated from one of the laboratory, CCAT from Germany. And this has two holes. We are going to put two implants in this lower jaw, and they have these special sleeves. This is a 4.0 and 10 millimeter diameter implant, and they have sleeve in sleeve. This is it has two sleeves. One is 2 millimeter, the other one is 1.6 millimeter. So the first step we will go with the 1.6 millimeter sleeve. The sleeve will go inside the holes of this surgical stand. In this one, and then we use the initial drill to initiate the surgery. Then we will remove that one. Of course, we do on the both sides. Then we'll go the second sleeve. After that, surgical guide with the first drill has been established. Then the second sleeve and sleeve is 2 millimeter diameter. After we place this sleeve inside patient's mouth, we'll go with the 2 millimeter diameter surgical drill. We'll go in there. Then we go with the next sequential drill and ultimately to 4.0 diameter final drill. Then we will insert the implant. This is a partial computer guided implant surgery. It's not completely computer guided implant surgery. In this one we are going to make sure that both implants are parallel to each other, and when we make the denture they snap in the position we want to do. Here I'm going to show you the x-ray, panoramic x-ray of this patient. Here is the teeth were not restorable, and there we extracted all those teeth. After that we made the initial provisional dentures. This is the lower jaw after the extraction. The special tray was used that was fabricated by CCAT from Germany after 3D X-ray was sent to that company, and then it is placed inside patient's mouth. And then another 3D X-ray is taken with this special plate which has a special marking which will be visible on the radiograph. I'm going to show you that one. It will reflect in this kind of position where this tray shows all the marking and size, and with the help of this one we were able to determine the exact height and width of the implant. This is the ramus of the mandible and the annulus area where the implant is gone. This implant is 4.5 millimeter into 10 millimeter. The other implant is 4 millimeter into 10 millimeter diameter. This will ensure that the implant we place, they are parallel to each other, because this does have one existing implant, and we want to, here is the sleeve and sleeve. This is the x-ray taken with the surgical stent. This is how when the surgical stent is placed inside patient's mouth. Now let's go to the procedure.
You okay?
Lighting. ये देखो You okay, Bridget? You seem uncomfortable, right? Are you? If you feel anything uncomfortable, please let me know.